whenever news like this comes out, it always saddens you from the heart. You always think, what if this was your own child? But what happens after that? The only report that came on this was the news of the rape itself. After that, there seemed to be no information forthcoming from the police or regarding the facts of the case or the progress of the case. So we were disturbed by that, and we thought we'll sort of do our own inquiries and investigations. And we found a few very glaring loopholes, not loopholes, but holes in the investigation that could weaken the case against the accused and possibly lead to justice not being given to this innocent child. It was today in front of the Children's Court. The accused lawyer requests more time and the court gives him more time. So this person now, who is accused of child rape, from the 19th he has been absconding, from the 24th he's sitting as a free man in his house wishing whatever he wants to do. Today was the day he could have at least been taken into custody, but now the hearing is going to be on the 3rd. So this man is free to commit more such crimes like this. Today he was at least taken into custody. There would have been some reassurance that this crime wouldn't happen again, at least in the immediate future. But since that has not happened, we have no option but to reveal the identity of the accused. This is Mr. Hanuman Narvekar. He is a teacher at the Kirti Vidyalaya High School in Seoul. He is the accused in this case. I think people should see this person's face, because he is free to commit such crimes in the future till the 3rd of September at least.